Well, you're coming up on closing out on the end of the term here. Week 10, we're starting to look at collapses and how things affect the fire service. I put a video up for you of a fire that occurred in a gas station about a month ago. It was pretty interesting how fast this fire took off and how the connections of the steel infrastructure failed and trapped a firefighter. Um, when you're studying a chapter on collapse, there's all different types of collapses, but the biggest problem we're running into is lightweight construction in the fire service, which is costing firefighters their lives. Also, too, the injuries that are sustained from a collapse, they're almost career-ending at times. I want you to start thinking about those issues when you're looking at this chapter. The other part of this is the big thing more than anything else. As you move into the green buildings, you're going to start seeing some big problems that are going to occur as well. One thing for sure in green buildings is that you have probably alternate power support, supplies, meaning solar power, wind power, uh, and you're looking at different types of energy that are supplying sources to a building. What are you going to do in fire situations when you got a solar array on the roof, it's energized, and you got a fire underneath? How do you turn around and how do you disconnect or disconnect the infrastructure of the solar panel from basically hampering firefighter operations? So this week's kind of interesting. We talk about collapse. It's also talking to us about um, where we're going in the fire service with buildings and how fast they collapse on us. So keep in mind those issues as you move forward. The other thing is you're all doing pretty well. Some of you need to catch up on a few things, but I'm really impressed with all of you in this first online class at Cincinnati State. You've set a very high benchmark for following classes. Thank you, and keep up the good